crazy that I'm here again, right? Back here at this place that people like to call Burning Man. And it's really interesting because I come out here with my family every year. I had this moment with this guy the first year where he basically said that by bringing our kids here we were changing the world. And I just could never get that out of my head. And here I am, 2024, by myself. My family's gone. Things are like really weird. Life is hard. Somehow I miracled out here. I got a miracle ticket. And then the person that I was carpooling with, we were certain we were going to get her a miracle ticket too. And we got her a miracle ticket also. Just like 10 cars away from being up at the front of the gate. And it's just so astounding to be here. But even though, you know, I'm here, I just have this like really strange longing for my children and my family. And they're not here with me. They like, this is like our thing. This is what we were supposed to be doing. And all of a sudden, the person I thought I was going to be with for the rest of my life decided to change her ideals and the way that she looked at things. And so here I am, by myself, in a place that like steps so far outside of the confines of like the regular world that you come to, you live in, where people that you run into here are genuinely usually pretty kind, and everybody gifts everything. Like there's just like it's like a society that doesn't even exist anywhere but here. I mean, I feel more love from strangers here than I feel from like my wife's mother or my ex. I don't even know what you want to call him anymore, but anyway, from my own stepfather. I feel more from these people that I've never even met before, that accept me for the person I am, the moo-moo wearing crazy fire dancer that I am, artist, whatever. I don't even know who defines things in what ways. It's so silly. But it's crazy because it was such a battle even to get here. Just like fighting my own mind and fighting the mind of others who like don't believe that this place is as magic as it really is. People that have like lost sight and they like look at the negative things and they think, oh yeah, it's just drugs and like sex and rock and roll or whatever. And it's just psychotic. Because if you come to a place like this and you can't see what the real magic is about this place and what it's really about, you've lost your fucking like vision. You've legitimately lost it. So I think this is about as real as you can get without me bawling my eyes out because I'm here without my babies. But I'm here once again. Yeah.
He's all set up now. Wow, look at that.
Yeah. I like it. Yeah, your guys' camp is definitely like really sexy this year. I like this.
Oh, no, it's perfect. So anyways, so what we're looking for is the back of your RV.
Hey, good job.
Thank you.
Mitch, can you come over here?
Yeah.
Alright, have fun. Hello, good play. Let me know if you want to switch, by the way, and do the gyrotron. I just couldn't hear you over the music and my own talking, and I didn't see your mouth moving. So I was wondering.
Too fun.